There's a lot of legislation that's happening on the regulatory front. It's not getting easier for companies to comply. It's getting much more complicated. We consider ourselves the gold standard in terms of compliance and how we've historically done it, meaning we sit in the path of the marketing interaction and we make real-time decisions on whether these contacts can be made or not through the CX1 platform. We have multiple mutual customers together, some of which we brought to NICE and referred them in, some of which NICE technical folks or sales folks brought to us, or even integrators. It really depends. I mean, we have use cases that are specific to consumer debt collection, where there's a lot of concern around things like frequency on a state level, jurisdictional level, federal level, calling wireless numbers where you don't have consent on file. And then on the marketing compliance side, it's a lot more complex. So you have lists, you have calling hours, you have holiday prohibitions, states of emergency, the list goes on and on. So we like to think of ourselves as a combination of not only the regulatory lists that exist, or regulatory laws, I should say, that exist, but also any consumer-specific or customer-specific rules and regulations around how many times do they want to dial, regardless of what the laws say, any proprietary data sets that they need to manage. And we've worked on a number of different customers. We have a bunch of real quality customers, as well as smaller shops as well. The initial customer that we had with NICE was they had a collections issue. They were concerned about dialing wireless numbers off of the CX1 platform. They were concerned about capturing consent. They needed to manage opt-outs of folks that had said no longer contact us. So we worked collectively with the NICE sales organization, the customer obviously, as well as the technical resources to make sure that we could design a solution that met their overall objective. 8 years later, they're still a customer, still very happy with the solutions that we provide. And we're proud of that. We have a lot of others, different applications. Some of them are consumer debt collections. Some of them are more prototypical marketing compliance, whether it's for sales or support or servicing. We fill a number of needs collectively with the NICE team.